Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer DoorDash account and delivery addresses to new mobile step by step clearly. To transfer your DoorDash account and delivery addresses to a new mobile device, start by ensuring both devices are fully charged. On your old device, open the DoorDash app. Log into your account using your existing credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by tapping on the profile icon at the top right corner. From the Settings menu, select Account to view more options. Locate and tap on Manage Addresses. Here, you will see all your saved delivery addresses. Write down or screenshot your addresses for easy access later. Now, on your new mobile device, download the DoorDash app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the installation is complete, open the DoorDash app. Tap on Login and enter the same credentials you used on your old device. After logging in successfully, navigate to the account settings again by tapping the profile icon. Select Account, then move to Manage Addresses. Add each address you saved from your old device. Double-check for any typos to ensure accurate delivery. If you had any payment information saved, you may want to add that as well. To do this, go to Payment Method and enter your details securely. After adding your addresses and payment information, your DoorDash account is now set up on your new device. You can begin ordering right away, using your saved addresses for convenience. If you encounter issues or cannot log in, consider resetting your password through the app. Once everything is in place, you're ready to enjoy your DoorDash experience on your new mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.